So next time a storm darkens your door, be it wind, hail, flood, or something catastrophic, call Rossman Construction for a free property inspection and hassle-free consultation. Don't deal with the headaches a complex insurance claim is sure to bring. Call the pros and let Rossman Construction do the heavy lifting and negotiating for you. Your home is one of your most treasured assets. Don't leave anything to chance, and use a company that puts you first. Rossman Construction. Our customers are our best interest. Period.